Hey everybody, Patrick Kenney here of ffxacademy.com. Have you ever wondered what the biggest mistake is in the foreign exchange? That's what we're going to discuss in today's episode. Now, in the market, in the foreign exchange, as you guys know, one of the biggest financial markets on planet Earth. It is the biggest. Which brings in one of the biggest markets to learn something. What do I mean by that? That means that you guys can go on Google at any point in time and search how to trade Forex, how to profitably trade Forex, what is the magic trading system in Forex. And a lot of people think that that is where success lies. Finding some sort of website that was made by somebody you don't know that's going to teach you how to completely change your life, guaranteed in 30 days or something crazy like that. You see, this is the number one mistake that traders make. There are a ton of assets out there to learn how to trade. There's investing.com, there's baby pips for Forex particularly. There's a ton of different finance websites that we can discuss. But what I want you guys to focus on as beginner traders today is less searching, more action. A lot of people think that the more they search, the better they get. When in reality, the more that you're on these charts, the better you will be. You have to spend the time on the charts to get better. Making mistakes in the market is a good thing for you at the beginning, because that's what's going to teach you how to get better in the future. And a lot of people think that there's just something magical that somebody's going to tell you that will change your life. Everything that you're doing right now is likely right on the right track, and there's just a small little tweak that somebody's not telling you about, but you can find. But what I want you to do is practice on the charts. Practice more, searching less will absolutely dilute what's in your brain, because everybody's pulling and pushing to say, my method is better than your method. My method is better than this method. That's a constant pulling, and for a beginner, I see why that happens. Because you know better. That is exactly what a lot of people fall in traps with, and I hope that today's video enlightened you on searching less and working on these charts more. We'll see you back for the next episode.